Recent investigations and user reports suggest that Creators Alliance is likely a scam. The Securities Commission of the Bahamas has launched an investigation into the platform due to concerns about its legitimacy and reports of unpaid withdrawals. Additionally, many users across Caribbean have reported significant financial losses, with the platform showing clear signs of Ponzi scheme. To avoid potential risks, it is strongly advised not to engage with Creators Alliance. Number one reason is one under investigation by authorities. The Securities Commission of the Bahamas is currently investigating Creators Alliance due to rising concerns about its legitimacy. This comes after numerous complaints from users about delayed or missing payouts. Number two is sudden halt in payouts. Many investors have reported that Creators Alliance stopped processing withdrawals, which is a major red flag. This pattern is often seen in fraudulent schemes where early investors receive payments, but later ones lose everything when the system collapses. Number three, signs of Ponzi scheme. The platform operates like a Ponzi scheme, where money from new investors is used to pay earlier participants instead of generating real profits. It relies on continuous recruitment, which is unsustainable and eventually leads to financial losses. Number four is lack of transparency. There is no verified business registration, and company's ownership remains unknown. Additionally, it has no official website or reliable customer support, making it difficult for users to seek assistance or verify the legitimacy of the platform. And the last is number five, reports of fraud across the Caribbean. News sources and user testimonies indicate that many individuals in Jamaica, St. Lucia, Trinidad and Tobago, and other Caribbean nations have lost significant amounts of money to the platform. The growing number of complaints further confirm its fraudulent nature. With multiple reports of unpaid withdrawals, a lack of transparency, and an ongoing investigation, it's clear that Creators Alliance is not a safe platform. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. To protect yourself, always research before investing and avoid platforms with red flags. Stay informed, stay cautious, and don't fall victim to scams.